Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, we spoke about those gas prices earlier, and guess what? They're going to be seeing some marginal declines in some categories effective tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents less, reversing last week's increase by the same value. Now, diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will increase by 25 cents. Propane will, however, sell for 25 cents less, while butane will decrease by 4 cents. Of course, each gas station will make adjustments to its own rates, which of course includes a markup to the ex-refinery cost from Petrojam. Stakeholders are urging sustainable policy development in a bid to boost productivity. The call was made during the celebration of World Productivity Day on Tuesday. Even as Jamaica sets targets for improved output and efficient use of resources, there is a view that key outcomes will not be achieved without the appropriate policy directive.
Policy is a critical determining factor of national productivity outcomes. Our history tells the story quite well.
Outgoing chairman of the Jamaica Productivity Center, Anthony Hyde, says the country needs a sustainable development policy agenda.
Policies that were supported like an EPOC or an electoral reform committee. We could see economic growth in Jamaica that would probably result in balance of payment surplus of 10 to 15 billion US dollars annually. Can you imagine what that would do for the people of Jamaica?
JPC's Chief Technical Director Tamar Nelson says measurable and impactful strategies must also be employed.
The value of our outputs needs to increase more than that of our inputs. In other words, we seek a sustainable environment to make more investments drive outputs. And we want to ensure that dollar for dollar, those investments can yield more and more outputs.
Minister of Labour and Social Security Pernell Charles Jr. says boosting Jamaica's productive output will improve global competitiveness for business. Let's head to the stock market now. The main index gained 2,358 points, while the junior market index increased by 25 points. Among the 44 winners were Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and Salada Foods. The 43 decliners include Equity Line Mortgage Investment Corporation, First Rock Real Estate Investment US dollar shares, Blue Power Group, Elite Diagnostic, and Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica. 17 stocks traded firm. Now to the foreign currency market. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.33. $117.41 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $195.41, while it's costing $170.66 for the euro. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.